Can you eat some more? So we can show Megan how much you like it? You gonna have any more chicken pot pie? Have some more. There you go. So good, isn't it? So good. Maeve, touchdown. Touchdown. Let's see touchdown. Not a chance. Touchdown! Yay! He missed it. He'll see you do it again. Touchdown! Good girl. Love the chicken pot pie. Ah. Are you excited to watch some football today? Yeah? Clap? Can you clap? Good girl. Yeah. Maeve, ball. Oh, I didn't know your mouth was full. Sorry. Ball. Can you say ball? Ball. What does the cow say? What does the cow say? Moo. What else? What other words do you say? You say mama. Mama. Well, there's still plenty on your tray. More. Show me more. 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 There's more right there. I can see it. Okay, let's try. Riley's licking your hands. That's gross. Right, go. Okay, say bye-bye to the camera. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, camera. Say bye-bye. Thank you.